the 2023 top motor 151T, I think they call it. It has some extra features on it. It's got, let's look at this. It's got 7,700 miles on it. It's got a tachometer with hour meter. The lights work. You can see right there. Turn signals. Everything works as expected. It's almost brand new. Brand new tires. Front and back. The additional things are the phone holder, the cup holder, the trunk, and it's quiet. It's got a additional muffler on there, and it makes it for a quiet ride instead of a loud ride. Also, there's one other feature here. The feature is a horn. And when you're riding and you need to let people know you're there, it's great. It's very loud. It's been very well maintained. Synthetic 20W50 oil, which I'll include one.